The Steam Team is a locally owned Austin company specializing in restoration after fire and smoke events. Fire damage affects more than what flames touch. Smoke residue travels through walls, ceilings, and ventilation systems. Soot particles create odors and long-term surface damage. Professional fire restoration begins with a full structural assessment. Specialized cleaning removes smoke residue from materials and contents. Odor control methods address lingering smoke at the source. Restoration teams coordinate cleanup, repairs, and rebuilding steps. Careful planning reduces downtime for families and businesses. To begin fire damage restoration in Austin, call the Steam Team at 512-451-8326.